The milkfish, locally known as bangus in the Philippines, is a fish located within the country shores and around the tropical shores of the Indian and Pacific Oceans, being an important seafood in Southeast Asia and some Pacific islands. Grilled, fried, steamed, baked, soup, deboned, sardined, even raw, the bangus is popular and widely enjoyed by many people in the Philippines. Milkfish aquaculture began in the Philippines and has spread to other countries, including Indonesia, Taiwan, and into the Pacific. Fry are raised in either sea cages, concrete tanks, or large and open saline ponds, like how the Philippines commonly cultures them.
Homeostasis and role of temperature and salinity. Perhaps the reason milkfish are abundant and popular in the Philippines and other regions is due to their ability to tolerate extreme environmental conditions such as varying water temperatures and salinity levels. Like all fish, milkfish are cold-blooded creatures. They rely on the environment for heat, and their body temperatures change with the temperature around them. The milkfish would adjust to comfortable temperatures by seeking cooler or warmer waters. If the environment is stable and sustainable, the milkfish can focus on using their energy for reproduction and growth. Fish use their gills, which are full of blood vessels, to absorb the dissolved oxygen in the water with its thin walls and transfer it into the fish's bloodstream. However, higher temperatures start to become lethal as the solubility of oxygen and other gases decrease. A decreased solubility of oxygen in the water means that the fish would exert more effort to take in sufficient amounts of the gas into their bodies. Simply put, if water is too cold, they'll have trouble growing. If it's too warm, fishes will have trouble breathing. With regards to salinity, the milkfish is a euryhaline organism. Depending on size and age, they can tolerate a wide range of salinity levels from 0 even up to 158 ppt, as some studies observe adult milkfish in hypersaline waters. However, optimal growth for milkfish is stimulated in salinity levels within 20 to 30 ppt. The milkfish, like all fish, deals with water salinity through osmoregulation, a process in which the fish maintains an internal balance of salt and water in its body through gills and kidneys. But being euryhaline, they can gradually alter the mechanism of their osmoreceptors to cater to the change of water salinity. However, a sudden change in salinity, like taking the fish out from a saline to a freshwater environment, can be lethal. This is because the fish would experience osmotic shock, in which the sudden change of salt concentration would cause a rapid change in the movement and regulation of fluids, which overwhelms the fish.
As of now, average water temperatures in the Philippines ranges from 26 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius, and an average salinity level of 34 ppt, still suitable for milkfish cultivation. But the key to milkfish optimal growth is the proper control of water temperature and sustenance of ideal salinity. Throughout a day, water temperature fluctuates, therefore, the milkfish would adjust by moving to comfortable waters. But here in the Philippines, milkfish is mainly cultivated in large enclosed saline ponds, so it constantly have to adjust to the shifting temperatures. And even though the milkfish can adapt to any levels of salinity, levels here in the Philippines are already beyond the optimal range for fry growth and development, more so with the threat of climate change further shifting the temperatures and salinity levels to much greater extents. In the near future, waters might be too unsustainable for the milkfish to bear, impeding on their growth and development, and by extension it would affect the Philippine milkfish industry and economy. It is up to the fish farmers to address the issue by maintaining the upkeep of milkfish aquaculture through keeping an eye on the temperature and salinity, much like how the milkfish does with how they maintain